Hi, welcome back to the Chi Vocabulary course here on LEARNAKAN.com. Today, we embark on an exciting expedition to explore the names of the various human body parts. In Chi, of course. My name is Yao. We are going to use this man here. Let's call him Kofi. So Kofi is offering us his body to help us in the naming process. Isn't that generous? Thank you, Kofi. Okay, let's begin with the Chi name of the full body. Nipadua, Nipadua, Nipadua. And we refer to the body parts as Honam Akwa, Honamakwa, Honamakwa. Now let's tackle the various sections of the body. We begin with the head. Itire, nim, enim, moma, ason, eni, afuno, ehwene, ano, abojie. Oh, Kofi is bald. How do we get the name for her if Kofi is bald? That's better. Tirinyi. Can we get some eyebrows, please? Thank you. Enintonyi. And some beard. Abojise. Tikwankra. Dumpe. Echim. Can you please open your mouth, Kofi? Thank you. Anofafa. Esin. Echinam. Techrema. Minimu. Let's move down to the torso. Ekong. Abasa. Abetri. Amotuam. Kokuo. Or bo. Fin. Yefunu. Efunuma. Pa. Ayasie. Abakon. Sa. Sayem. nsayem, nsatia, nsatia, nsatia. Ajene, ajene, ajene. Ahrawa, ahrawa, ahrawa. Akuma, akuma, akuma. Brebuo, brebuo, brebuo. Yem, yem, yem. Bonyo, no, bonyo, bonyo. Time, time, time. Sa, sa, sa. So, no, sono, sono. We move further down. Nine, nine, nine. Sre, esre, esre. Ko, to, j, kotoje, kotoje. Nan, hi, ni. Nanhini, nanhini. Nan po so, nan poso, nan poso. Nan ta bo no, nan tabono, nan tabono. Nan swa, nan swa, nan swa. Now turn around, will you? Ti ko, etiko, etiko. Chi re, echre, echre. Bre mu, bremu, bremu. A ba che, abache, abache. Si, sie, sisie, sisie. Ti, ni, ntini, ntini. Tuo, etuo, etuo. Bo, re, bore, bore. Further down. Nan, ko, kum, nan kukum, nan kukum. A, nan, tu, anantu, anantu. Nantini, nantini, nantini. Now let's check out a few more that weren't visible on Kofi's body. Moja, moja, moja. A, wo, dear, awo dear, awo dear. If only Kofi had one. John so cha, John so cha, John so cha. Ba, jua, bajua, bajua. To end the lesson, let's have a quick view of some of the main body parts we've looked at. All too soon, we've come to the end of yet another lesson. If you enjoy this lesson, please support us by subscribing to the channel, liking our Facebook page, and subscribing to our blog www.learnakan.com. See you in our next class.